Lucius. Hi, buddy. Hi. You gonna come down and say hi? What do you think? Oh, you're making the shelves creak. Big boy. Hi. Loves that skybox. Sunny day, huh? It's especially fun on a sunny day. Aw. Yeah. I've been gone for a couple days. You checked in while I was gone. So nice to see you again. So nice to see you again. Yes, purring. I hear you purring. You're a good boy. Happy Lucius. Happy Lucius. You gonna come down? Come on down. Boom. How about if we go to the playroom? Let's go try that out. Okay. Let's see. Lots of sunshine in there. What do you think? Want to go in the playroom? Yeah. You're a good boy. Oh, go this way. This way. Boo boo. There you go. Look, lots of sun on the bed. Yeah, lots of sun. Good boy. Off on an adventure. Kitty meow.